DUI or OVWI arrest. So there are typically three ways that somebody will ultimately be pulled over and investigated for a DUI, OVWI, same thing. The first and most likely reason is because a police officer witnessed a traffic violation. So what does that mean? Well, it could mean a police officer saw you swerving between lanes, changing lanes without a turn signal, speeding. Those are all traffic infractions. Perhaps even you don't have a license plate light on or a tail light is out. Those are all traffic citations, and it gives an officer a reason to pull you over. And at that point, when he approaches the vehicle, he starts looking for potential clues. Does it smell like alcohol? Are your eyes bloodshot and glassy? Are you slurring your words? Is it hard for you to manipulate your wallet and pull your ID out? Things of that nature. Those are all clues or evidence of potential intoxication that officers are looking for. So viewing a traffic infraction is the first and most common way that people get pulled over for an OVWI arrest. The second is for an accident. And this kind of is intertwined with a traffic violation. It's just a little bit, it's elevated a little bit. So anytime that you're involved in an accident, what's supposed to happen, you're supposed to call the police, make a report, officer shows up, things of that nature. And at that point, an officer is still allowed to ask general questions. Hey, what happened? What's your name? Can you give me your insurance? Give me the rundown. At that point, if there's evidence or he perceives there to be any reason, hey, again, smell of alcohol, things of that nature, then he can start doing a DUI arrest. And the third way that you can start a DUI arrest is from a DUI checkpoint. Checkpoints are the most colossal waste of resources that I've ever seen. Now, the problem is a lot of police departments get grant money for performing these checkpoints. And the reason I say checkpoints are a little bit convoluted is because there's the process they have to go through has to be so exact. And quite frankly, there's a 1% chance, sometimes even fewer than 1% chance, that an officer pulls over somebody in a checkpoint that is intoxicated. In fact, there's far more drivers that are sober, so it's more of a sober check than it is a DUI checkpoint. But those are the three main reasons that somebody would get pulled over or a DUI arrest would get started. If you have any questions, give us a call, 317-632-3642, and remember, always plead the fifth.